Welcome to Loomly. In this video, you will learn how to create a new calendar, connect your social media accounts, and invite collaborators. From your dashboard, you are able to create a new calendar by clicking on Add New Calendar. This takes you to a wizard dedicated to helping you create your calendar. First, you can upload a logo, define a name, time zone, and industry for your calendar. Hit Create Calendar and Continue once this has been done. The time zone of the calendar will define the publishing time of your posts. A quick tip: you can set your account's time zone independently from each calendar's time zone. This is useful if you live in a different time zone from your calendar's audience. It's now time to connect your social media accounts. Loomly operates on a calendar basis. In each calendar, you can connect one account from each social media platform. If you want to connect multiple accounts from the same social media platform, you can create multiple calendars. In fact, you are free to create as many calendars as you need. A quick tip: you can take advantage of Loomly's master calendar and duplicate post features to publish similar posts to multiple accounts from the same social media platform. To connect your accounts, hit the green Connect buttons. You can now select the approval workflow that best suits your needs. The original workflow is most comprehensive, with 6 different post states. This workflow is best if you have multiple collaborators involved in the review and approval process of your posts. If there's only one collaborator in charge of reviewing and approving your posts, we recommend selecting the Lite Workflow, which automatically schedules the posts that have been approved. Finally, the Zero Workflow option lets you skip approval altogether, going from draft to scheduled or published posts in one click. Loomly also provides you with inspiration, and you can supercharge this feature in 2 ways. If you connect a Twitter account to your calendar, you can pull Twitter trends in that calendar as post ideas. In any case, you can plug RSS feeds to your calendar to get even more inspiration, either in the form of post ideas or draft posts, all created automatically from RSS feeds. Once your calendar is all set, let's gather your team by sending invites to your collaborators. Collaborators will only have access to the calendars you invite them to. You can invite your collaborators to one or to several calendars. Each unique person you invite counts as one collaborator. Of course, if you invite the same person to several calendars, they will only count as one collaborator against your plan's limit. You should now be ready to create your first post by clicking on the green New Post button at the top right of the screen. Whenever you need to edit your calendar settings, just click on the gray Calendar Settings icon. Now, let's take a look at all the different views of your calendar. This is Listview. Inspired by the spreadsheet layout we all know, this is a detailed summary of your posts, featuring plenty of information such as date and time, subject, copy format, state, and assignees, as well as any comments if there are any. You can interact with your posts from this view or access Post View for even more details. Calendar View was designed with planning in mind and offers a higher level overview of your posts for the month. You can easily drag and drop edit, duplicate, and delete existing posts, as well as create new quick posts from the Calendar View. Loomly's advanced analytics allow you to dive deep into the performance of all your posts, whether they are published via Loomly or not. Advanced analytics provide account and post level metrics, including reach, impressions and engagement rates, along with click counts, sources, and locations. This is ideal to see which of your past posts perform the best, so you can fully optimize your future posts. Advanced analytics can be enabled as soon as your team has published 5 posts through Loomly. Interactions empower you to reply to direct messages and comments from your fans and followers on social media, directly from Loomly. Whenever a new interaction is pending your reply, a notification pops up in your toolbar. And that's it! If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact our team either through our chat or over email at contact@loomly.com. Thanks for watching this tutorial. You should be ready to create your first calendar within Loomly. Log into your dashboard now.